Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to learn how to bookmark important websites, create a folder in Gmail, and we're going to complete a Google Classroom tutorial on using Google Calendar, and then finally we're going to practice our skills in IXL. So you need to go to your email and find an email called Day 9 from S. Willie. So for you, you could type my name. Now, since I sent it to myself, it's actually from me. So when you open it up, it's going to say Math Unit Planner. So go ahead and open your Math Unit Planner, and you are going to scroll down to Day 9. And here is an outline of the tasks. I went too far. Here's an outline of the tasks that we're going to do. So open the bookmark and email video. That's what I'm actually filming right now. And then you will need the following websites. We're going to bookmark Willie's website, Google Classroom, the Unit Planner, IXL, and then we're actually going to make a bookmark for an email as well. So let's start by having you click your video open, and so we'll start that, and we're going to go ahead and click Willie's website and create a tab for this. So in order to create a bookmark, what we need to do is we need to give it a name. So we're going to call this one Math Site. Really important that we make sure it's on our bookmark bar. That means it's actually going to appear across here rather than in maybe a folder we have. And then to create it, you're just going to hit done. Now I've already done this, so I'm not going to do done. But if you look up here on my math website, or on my bookmark bar, is my Weebly site. Okay? So one down. Go back to the Unit Planner. Click on Google Classroom. We're going to follow the same procedure. Okay, instead of saying classes, actually we're going to delete this and put no name, because what's going to happen is we're going to see the icon for Google Classroom. And instead of new folder, I'm going to call it bookmark. And again, bookmark bar, I'm going to hit done. So now if I look, here is my Google Classroom icon. So all I have to do is click on that to open Google Classroom. So I can test that out by clicking a new tab and then my bookmark, and boom, I'm into Google Classroom. All right, next we're going to go and we're going to create a bookmark for the 6th grade Unit Planner. This one we're going to call Unit Planner. Make sure it's in the bookmark bar and hit done when you're done. But let's take a look at this Unit Planner. From here, you can access all of your current units of study for every subject you have. For example, we can click on this to go to our math unit, okay, and we end up in the Math Unit Planner. A couple things to look at in this planner. Here are the days, and then what the lesson title, and you have the objective for each lesson. So if you go down to today, we've got, for homework, it says complete IXL skills E5 and E6 to a 90% level. So that's your homework for today. Okay. So now I think we have one more we need to set, and that is IXL. So go to your IXL, and we're going to call this guy IXL, all caps, bookmark bar, done. Okay. Then the last thing we're going to do actually is bookmark our email. Now I need to make sure I'm in my inbox, because if I'm actually in the email I sent you, then you're going to bookmark that email. So I click on inbox, and then I can go, and again, this one I'm going to have no name because it's a symbol you're going to recognize. So all I do is delete the name and write bookmark bar, and then now I can quickly get to my email. Okay. Next, while we're in our email, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a folder for technology, or for tech. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. Let me show you that. I scroll all the way down, and there's a button that says more. If I click more, I get some more options here. One is called categories. I'm going to create a new label, and I'm going to call it tech. Go ahead and create. I'm not going to do it because I've already got one. So let me show you my tech folder. So in my tech folder, I keep all my important emails that are related to passwords or things that I'll need to refer to later, but I don't want in my inbox. So if you look here, I've got an email from membership services at IXL. You too received an email from IXL, and we're going to put that into our tech folder. So go ahead and go back to your inbox and type IXL. We're going to search for that email. Okay, so a few emails come up that are related to IXL. Here is the one that I'm interested in. Yours might be slightly different. What you'll need to do is open it, and if it's got your password and username, that's the one we want to put in. So in order to put something in a folder, I'm going to click my box, and I'm going to go over to this that says labels. Then I'm going to find the label. Now, mine's already in technology. What it'll look like for you is you'll have no X, and you'll have to decide, where do you want this? So for me, I want it in technology, and that's it. So now, if I go back to my inbox, and then I find my tech folder, here's my email that I just placed in there. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to do is use your, actually we're not going to IXL yet, sorry. The next thing you're going to do is go back. So we've completed task 1. We bookmarked all the important sites that we needed. We should be able to see them all across here. Anytime that we want to use them, you want to click a new tab and then click whatever it is that you're going to, or it'll, if you're already open in a window, like IXL here, and I click math sites, then it takes me to that from the tab I currently have open. So you can decide, do you care, do you want to stay on this tab? Then open a new one. If you don't need to stay on that tab, then you don't need to. Okay, now you're going to take a moment and you're going to go to this Google Classroom activity here, and you're going to complete the link. So if you open it up, it's taken forever. This is your tutorial on Google Classroom, or sorry, excuse me, Google Calendar. So you're just going to go through, you have a chance to win a math badge. That looks super awesome. So you're going to go through and complete this tutorial. Once you're done with that, then you are going to go to IXL, and you're going to get your password from your tech. Okay, if you go here again, from your tech folder, open it up, and you'll get your password. Okay, this is a different email for me because I didn't get an email about my password. And then you're going to do E5 and E6. So let's take a look real quick here what those look like. Okay, so I've already signed in before. I'm going to say remember me so I don't have to sign in every time. And then if I scroll down, math, or 6th grade skills, math, and click. Okay, then I'm looking for, I've already forgotten, that's Miss Willie for you, E5. E5, let's go down, E5, that's not right. We want E7 and E8. I'm going to change that really quick, E7 and E8. Okay, E7 and E8, E7 and E8, sorry. And, oh, E7, let's take a look at what E7 looks like. So, now, you need to get at least a 90% or higher on this. So let's say that I'm having trouble and I'm not sure, I put a 3 in here. Anytime you mess up, oh, that was not on purpose here. Let's say I think this is 2. There's no way. Okay, anytime I make an error, it's going to go through and it's going to explain to me. It's going to tell me what the greatest common factor is. Then it's going to show me how to do that. So that's it. Your job now is to complete each of these tasks on your own and continue working on your IXL so you don't have any homework. Thank you.